Hi guys, today I will be unboxing and testing this infrared forehead thermometer. So the brand is Femometer. So it is using infrared and it's 10 memory settings. Then it has LCD. So at the back you can see the specification. So operating mode, forehead, the object mode, then operating temperature range from 10 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. Then 15% to 85% relative humidity, non-condensing atmospheric pressure. Then storage should be minus 25 to 55 degrees Celsius. Then it is using battery 2 AAAs. I don't know if this one comes with a battery. So hopefully there's some battery inside. So expected life is 3 years. Okay. Then ingress protection is IP22. So I'll just open this now so we can see and test. So it should be a straightforward thermometer, just power on then start, something like that. Okay, here is the thermometer, so nothing else inside. So it comes with the it has battery, AAA battery, some documentation in English. So a quick start guide. Okay, so some precautions here. User's manual. I'll read this through later on, but for now I will try to figure out how to use it. There's also some other devices that they are selling. Okay, so here's the thermometer. So the distance should be 0.3 to 1.2 inch, so it will be very close to the forehead. You just remove this one. Then so just there's a start button, then on and off. Okay, so just put the battery in. Yep. Okay, so make sure the polarity is correct. We have the right operation. Positive and negative. So this one, the positive is here. Make sure it is correct because you can see there's a positive here, negative, but this one looks like for negative terminal, but it should be like this. Let's see. Close. And turn on. Now it's on. So okay, probably select. Now it is set to Fahrenheit. So let me see. So this is on and off. Try to turn on again. So I need to see how to set this to Celsius. Okay, I read a little bit about manual. So to change from Fahrenheit, so we can see right now it is set to degrees Fahrenheit. So just need to turn this off. Then press the start button for about 3 seconds. Now see, it is showing F. Now it's changed to degrees Celsius. Okay, then off again, then turn on. Now it is in degrees Celsius. Okay, I got the reading, so 36.4 degrees. Okay, so there's also option for object mode and forehead mode. Let's see. So try to press. Now this is object mode, forehead mode, then object mode. Okay, I can measure something like this. Should be very close. So it's showing 21.6 degrees for the object. Okay, so that's it. Quite handy to use and very simple. Again, thank you for watching.